Leo and Luna, unexpected friendship. A short A1 to A2 level. English story. In a small town, there was a happy dog named Leo and a grumpy cat named Luna. Leo really wanted to be friends with Luna, but Luna didn't like him much. One day there was a problem. Luna got stuck on the roof while trying to catch a squirrel. He meowed for help, feeling scared. Leo heard him and rushed over. Leo barked and jumped, using his paws to climb up to Luna. With a little push, he helped Luna back down. Luna was surprised, but also grateful. After that day, something changed between them. Luna saw that Leo was kind and caring. They started spending time together, exploring the town and playing in the garden. Leo wagged his tail happily, and Luna walked with a graceful sway. They found sunny spots for naps and even teamed up to chase away the mischievous squirrel. The dog and cat, who seemed so different, became best friends. Leo and Luna showed everyone that friendship can happen when you least expect it.